On this episode of the Garage, Uncle Mark buys another V8.
Yeah, what else would I buy, dickhead?
I'm an idiot. Okay, no worries at all. So it's pretty good, is it? And what, you've got to go now, do you? Alright, okay, we'll come straight around. Alright. Mate, Uncle Mark's just told us that he's just picked up a car. He said it's a V8. If we want to go and check it out, we can. Do you want to go and have a look?
Yep.
Alright, let's go.
Hey Mark, how are you?
So what's the deal? What have you got?
1 minute later, I was leaving without you.
Yeah, really? What have you found?
Okay, so VR Caprice,
Right.
94, injected 5 litre,
Oh, yeah, okay, alright, okay. Auto?
auto.
Oh, well, it's a Caprice, so of course it is.
Yeah, you pull it,
Yep.
cheap, let's go.
Do you want me to do the deal when we get there?
You're doing the talking because you're the big mouth,
All right.
I'm the labour.
Is it
All right.
good, Nick?
It's not bad. Sounds
Alright, let's stop talking. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, good news. I've done the deal. We got a little bit off. A few bits and pieces. I've got them to throw a battery in as they do here at U-Pull It. They always look after us. So, mate, you just got to go pay for it and it's yours. It's not a bad sort of a deal when you think about it, is it?
No, it's not.
Pretty good for a conversion car when he's just going to use it for parts.
Yeah.
Hey mate, are you picking that up from the rubbish dump?
It's fully sick.
So just to give you a bit of a recap on what's going on, Uncle Mark has got this really cool WB 1-tonner and it had a 253 and an M21 4-speed in it. He's been thinking about doing a bit of a conversion and we saw him pick up that Commodore, so it looks like he's done a bit of work on the Holden. Let's go in and have a chat to him and see what the plans are. Hello Uncle Mark, how are you?
Great.
So tell us what's going on. So we had a quick look at the tonner up the other end there. Looks like you've done a bit of painting and stuff like that to that.
Tonner's ready to go.
Yeah.
So now we'll put this in that.
So have you got that prepped? The tonner's all prepped and ready for the conversion.
It's ready to go.
And so what you're going to do is you're going to put this thing here with 304 fuel injected.
Yeah, standard 304 VR Commodore 4L60E.
Yep.
We'll rip that out, pop it straight in. Pretty straightforward. Everybody knows
Yep.
that's been done a million times. We'll work with one of your mates to get the loom cut and spliced.
Okay.
It'll be plug and play and shouldn't be too much problem.
Is this thing on gas?
It's got gas too.
Is that an LPG? Wow, I only just noticed that. Okay, so it all looks like it's going to be pretty straightforward.
Straightforward.
And what sort of power does this thing put out at the moment?
Not enough.
But roughly?
165 kilowatts,
Yeah, okay.
175. We'll give it a tune.
More than enough
See
to
how
push to the tonner though.
Yeah, it'll light the tyres on the
Yeah.
tonner.
And so what's happened to the 253 and the 4-speed? Were those dudes in that other video, did they buy it, did they?
Yep. Facebook Marketplace, half hour gone.
Beautiful.
1.5 hours outsold. Give me money. Have a look at this. Check this out.
What is it?
$40 gauge from eBay.
Right.
Hey, said
The housing,
housing.
right?
$150 gauge from eBay.
Right.
We pull out GDS gauge,
Yep.
speedo from dash cluster. Put in gauge to cluster. Connect up to 4L60E. Bingo. We're in business.
So this is your master wiring plan, is it?
I am a 12 volt master.
All right, so explain me how it works.
Okay, 6-pin plug in engine bay. Straightforward, everybody knows it. Red wire to alternator.
So you went to the trouble of writing all this up on here.
I have to, otherwise I'll forget it.
All right, but aren't you getting somebody to do all this wiring stuff for you?
No.
Are you sure? Isn't Sean going to do it all for you?
Sean's going to do it for me, but I still got to wire it
Oh,
up.
okay. All right. So do you have a list inside as to how to put your underwear on?
Of course. So I don't put it inside out.
He looks like he's done a pretty good job so far. There's the loom sitting out there, far out. Looks like it's all undone, ready to go.
Yeah.
A little bit more and it's ready to come out.
Yeah.
What do you think, mate?
It's pretty good.
This only came out because I was here.
That's real good, actually.
Have a look at this. Come here. Look at this. No, look at this from here. Look at this from here. Look at this. Look at this.
That's all he's got too.
It's like punching a pillow.
See that? That was Hungry Jack's and KFC. Yeah.
Is he here?
No, he's not here, but let's go see what he's done.
All right, go. Oh, I reckon he's got it in. He's got it. Pull it back. Let's have a look. Oh, look at that. Mate, how good's that? Yeah, do you reckon that looks all right?
Yeah.
Far out. Oh, look at that. He's got a Gilman belt drive. He's painted everything in the old WB. Mate, and look at that. Oh, look at the airbox on the other side there.
Yeah.
He's got that sorted out.
Looks good.
He's done an awesome job.
Looks good.
All right, cover it up before he can find out. The perfect crime. Come on. All right, let's get out of here. Hey, hit like and subscribe if you want to see more of this.